Are you ready to meet kid brother? Yeah. Are you ready? Come on, Sam. Let's meet kid brother. Wait. 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 Come on, let's meet him. Oh, Sam. Wait. Sam, can you sit? Sam, can you sit? Sit. Sammy, say hi. Sit down. Sit down. Thank you. Wait. Marcus, you can come say hi. He's not scary. Sammy, wait. Wait. I know he's... Oh! Sam, be nice.
Yeah, I know he's got poop on his butt. He just pooped. It's okay, Marcus. It's okay. Yes, I know. He's got incisions.
Samar, don't eat his stitches.
He doesn't have any stitches.
No.
Big incision, though.
Try to let him off his leash.
Not yet.
Sam.
Not sure yet.
Sam, sit. Sit down.
I think we're good.
Go meet your kid brother.
I'm right here.
Go say hi. Hi, Marcus. Hi, Marcus. Yeah, Sammy is scary because she's big. Sam, are you going to say hi to his face?
No, he's got to say it in my turn. I've got you. Sammy's a big boy, but he's a sweetheart.
Sam, are you even interested in him?
Yeah, he's smelling all the places that Marcus just rolled in.
Oh.
That's probably all the place Marcus pooped.
Sam, come say hi.
When I looked in the door, little boy, Sam would not. He's following me everywhere. Marcus, he doesn't know what to do.
Marcus, don't get peed on. There you go. Say hi to his face instead of his butt.
Okay. Submissive posture we have there. Okay, Marcus.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy, Sammy.
Good boy, Marcus. Good boy, Marcus.
Sammy. Like Marcus wants to make friends, but he's like, oh, I don't know, he's kind of big. He's kind of big.
He's big, but he's goofball. Good boy, Sammer.